So that video you saw was entirely generated by AI. In fact, it's generated 5.9 million views, all right? And it has what? 169,000 likes, 4,000 comments. Look at the comments. Well done. Damn. This is beautiful. I feel smart. Hold up. Did you work out your hair? Like so many comments just basically telling this man and hyping him up and complimenting him. But like, guys, this is AI, right? It is fully AI. And this person's been posting consistently, getting millions of views. And guess what? They're actually going ahead and selling a digital product at the end of it. So all of this traffic is going to their link in bio where they're going ahead and selling a $19.99 complete transformation bundle. Okay. And I'm telling you, they've probably sold tons and tons and tons of this because it takes just your name, your email, and your PayPal, and boom, right? You see someone at his age achieving an insane transformation, which is possible, right? It's very possible to go from this to this. But for now, it's been very difficult to get people to do case studies for you and to people to show this type of stuff. It's been very, very difficult, right? But imagine if you could just have AI create all of those videos. And so in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. I'm going to show you how to create all of the images, all of the videos, and create your AI fitness influencer. And then you can go ahead and sell digital courses based on your influencer. All of the traffic that you get is absolutely free. All of the money that you make is absolutely free. Okay, step one is you're going to have to find a person to base your influencer off of. I just went on Pinterest and I typed in man in his 50s. I got this image and I saved it. Next, you're going to need a software to be able to generate all of these AI images and AI videos. I'm going to use TopView for my example. I'll link them down in the description below. The best part is Nano Banana 2 is actually out. This is Google's most advanced image editing platform, and the results are absolutely insane. To go ahead and start generating images, go to Image and go to Image Edit. The workflow that we're going to be following is very simple. First, we're going to generate the image of our influencer. And then we're going to animate that image and have that image do stuff. Look at how realistic this image looks of my influencer. If you get value from this video, all I ask is that you leave a like and subscribe because I drop videos like this every single day. Now that we're at the image section, you go here to Nano Banana 2, right? This is their newest image generator. And for those of you guys that don't understand what image generators is, it's just the software that this platform will use to actually generate the images, and you can change out whichever software. I'm just going to leave it to Nano Banana 2. Then over here to import and go ahead and upload the image that we found off Pinterest. Now we're going to need to basically change this image to what we want. And so for that, we're going to enter a prompt. Paste in the prompt that I've left in the description down below. What we're going to tell Nano Banana to do is to create a photorealistic full body image from the man from the uploaded reference image, which is the Pinterest image. We're going to make sure that the lighting is soft. We're going to make sure that there's a large protruding belly extending, so we show him overweight. And the stomach should dominate the frame visually. So again, you don't have to think about all of this. I've actually written the prompt out for you. Be sure it's 9:16. Make sure that the resolution is 2K. You can generate 1, 2, 3, or 4 images. I try and generate 4 images at a time because it cuts down on workflow. So it depends on how many images you want, and then hit generate. And then boom, you have an image just like this. The first thing that I'm going to do is generate all of the images that I'm going to need for my video. And then I'm going to animate them one by one. And then I'm going to edit it together inside a CapCut. And now that we have our influencer, we're just going to use this image to edit all of our other images. So I'm going to go back to image edit. I'm going to delete the Pinterest photo. I'm going to click board. I'm going to select our influencer's image. And then I'm going to paste a new prompt in. I'm going to leave the settings the same. I'm going to hit generate. The prompt basically says to show a side profile of him with the stomach still very visible, and look at the image that's been generated. So now that we have the befores generated, let's generate the afters. I'm going to select the same image of the person on the front, and then I'm going to go ahead and paste this new prompt in. I'm going to leave the settings the same. I'm going to hit generate. The prompt basically says that now he's extremely fit. He has 10 to 12% body fat, and he has a visible six-pack with other stuff around lighting and environment. Now that we have this image of our influencer who is extremely fit, we have to put him in different scenarios. We have to put him working out in the gym, put him in the posing room, and put him next to a hot tub. And to do that, it's very simple. Let's X out of this image and select our fit influencer, and then we'll paste in this prompt and hit generate. What this prompt basically tells the AI image generator is to put them in a gym, the flooring, the background, the natural indoor lighting, all of that good stuff. And then we keep rinse and repeating this process. I'm also going to leave a prompt down below to put him in a swimming pool and put him in a posing room. And now that we have all of these amazing images, let's go ahead and animate them. To animate any image, just click the image and click here to generate video. Over here, I'm actually going to use Kling V3. Again, it's just a video generator model and it works really, really well in this case. Paste in this prompt that goes ahead and animates this image. In this case, we don't really need audio on. I'm going to leave it for 5 seconds. I'm going to hit generate. And boom, this is a video that was created. We took an image and we've made it, animated it, and now we have this person who's really tired of looking overweight. Again, over here, I'm just saying, like, subtle emotions. His chest subtly deflates. One hand moves a few inches forwards. No exaggerated sadness. For any of you wondering, like, how am I getting these prompts? Honestly, I'm just basically using ChatGPT to give me nano banana prompts. I just describe what I want the character to be doing at that time, and it gives me full, really well thought out prompts. And now I'm going to continue to do that. I'm going to X out of this. I'm going to grab another image off the board. Let's say we want him to do something in the pool, right? And I'm going to put a new prompt in, leave all of the settings the same, and hit generate. For example, over here, I just let the AI know that I want him flexing and showing off his muscles. And in this video, I let AI know I need him posing and showing off his abs. And look at how amazing and realistic this is. And now I have a ton of different videos of the same AI influencer working out in the gym. Here he's doing his biceps, here he's flexing, here he's staying calm, here he's posing, he's in the same. I have all of these videos, and now all I need to do is generate my before after video. Now the next thing you're going to want to do is open up CapCut and then just start arranging all of your different videos. I actually put my competitor's video at the bottom because I wanted his music. And look at this, my video is ready of this guy going through an insane before and after. The next step is to start posting these videos, racking up views, and have a digital storefront where you're selling digital products around fitness and transformations. Making money with AI has never been this easy. You can start pumping out these videos today and start getting customers to your store and start selling your digital products. I'd say don't over exaggerate, always show realistic, achievable results. If you've ever had some knowledge that you want to share with the world, but you've been camera shy, now you can create AI avatars that can do the heavy lifting for you. They can do the marketing and selling for you, leaving you to just make the money. We have an entire AI ad accelerator platform for anybody seriously looking to learn AI, from the foundations of AI, writing scripts, AI influencers, video ad creation, image ad creation. And we have tons of AI employees that go ahead and automate all of this stuff for you. I'll leave the link to that down below as well. Plus, I'm going to leave the link down below to my free workshop where I show you how to build and launch online businesses from scratch. So if you guys want to attend that, that link's also going to be in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Appreciate each and every one of you. If you found value from this video, be sure to like and subscribe. And as always, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.